When you get started as an Avon representative, you can choose from 2 exclusive product kits for just £10 to get your business off to the very best start. Let's open this one up and see what you'll get. This is the Ultimate Welcome Kit, which is jam-packed with some of Avon's best-selling and top-rated products for just £30. There's fragrances in here, there's skincare, a gorgeous vitamin C serum, eye cream, there's even makeup products like a lovely matte lipstick, Avon's famous Glimmer Stick eyeliner, and a mascara in there as well. We also have Avon's iconic Skin So Soft and Pillow Mist. Really great products and worth so much more than just £30. So many products that I'm sure I've forgotten to mention something. The other welcome kit is just £10 and comes with a very wearable matte lipstick in nude. Both of the kits come with brochures, brochure bags and order forms. It is absolutely fantastic to be able to say that you started your own business from just £10. And at the time of recording, you even have the chance to get this refunded. If you like what you've heard and you're ready to start earning with the freedom and flexibility to work around your lifestyle, or if you just want to chat with somebody to learn more, you'll find a link in the description below. One of the Reps Anywhere team will be able to answer all your questions, help you get started on your Avon journey and support you every single step